Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Porsche Macan hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the cabin, typically found on the driver's side near the footwell. Give this lever a firm pull to unlatch the hood. You'll hear a distinct click as it releases. Once you've done that, move to the front of your vehicle for the next step. Now that the primary latch is released, you'll need to find the secondary safety latch. This is usually located under the front edge of the hood, often near the center. Gently lift the hood a few inches and feel for a small lever or tab. Push or pull this secondary latch to completely disengage the hood mechanism. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the hood all the way open. Look for the hood support rod, which is typically found clipped into place on the left side of the engine bay. Unclip the rod and firmly insert its end into the designated slot on the underside of the hood to hold it securely in the open position. To close the hood, first unclip the support rod from the hood and secure it back in its original resting place. Gently lower the hood until it is about 12 inches from fully closing. Then, apply firm, even pressure with both hands to the top of the hood, ensuring both latches engage securely with a satisfying click.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.